So here's how long does Incfile take, how to start an LLC. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. Are you ready to take the next step in your business journey? Starting an LLC has never been easier with the Incfile. In this quick guide, we will walk you through the process and provide you with an overview of the timeline. Visit the Incfile website, create an account, and provide some basic information about your business. This is the foundation of your LLC formation journey. Incfile takes care of the paperwork. They will prepare and file your article of organization with the state. This setup usually takes a few business days, but keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on the state you are in. Once your paperwork is filled, you will receive email notification and updates about your LLC formation. It's important to stay connected during this phase. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to the Incfile customer support. They are there to assist you and provide any guidance you might need. Once your LLC is approved by the state, you will receive your completed formation documents. These are crucial for establishing your business identity. Sign and file any necessary documents as instructed. This solidifies your LLC's legal standing and ensures you are compliant with the state's regulations. And there you have it. With Incfile, you have successfully formed your LLC. The entire process typically takes a few weeks, but remember, processing time can vary based on your location and any additional services you have chosen. So whether you are starting with a new venture or formalizing an existing business, Incfile simplifies the process, giving you the freedom to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. So that's how long does Incfile take and how to start an LLC.